and welcome back to another enriching session of Coffee with Counselors on the topic how to manage stress. So, I hope everyone must have heard about this word stress, and this is a very common word that we come along with it in our day-to-day life. We all face it, whether we are students, parents, or teachers, we all face stress. And our today's webinar is dedicated to this topic only, that how we can manage our stress. So our webinar facilitator for today is Mr. Prashant Sharma. He is a life skill coach and motivational speaker. Sir has a experience of more than 17 years in this field and also owns his own institute of KLF Foundation that is based on the same. Also, I would like to tell that we are going live on our Fairgaze Facebook page. So everyone who is watching us there can also send us their queries. We will definitely solve those and answer those in the end of the session. So our today's session will be a 40-minute session. And after that, we will be having our 10 minutes question and answer round. So now I'm handing over to Mr. Prashant Sharma for taking this session forward. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Hello, everyone. This is a very controversial time we are facing from the COVID-19. And stress is not very new for all of us. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है कि नया हमें कोविड-19 की वजह से स्ट्रेस की प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हैं, बल्कि स्ट्रेस बेसिकली इट कैन बिकम ए पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ. फादर मदर को चाहिए कि अपने बच्चों की शादी के लिए स्ट्रेस है, स्टूडेंट को अपने एग्जाम का स्ट्रेस है, एक प्रोफेशनल को अपने वर्कलोड का स्ट्रेस है. तो ऐसी बहुत सारी संभावनाएं होती हैं हमारे साथ जो स्ट्रेस को क्रिएट करती हैं. और वास्तव में स्ट्रेस को कंसीडर करना या उसको कंसीडर ना करना वो किसी इंडिविजुअल पर डिपेंड करता है. तो आज का जो वेबिनार है, इस पर हम फोकस करेंगे कि स्ट्रेस होता क्या है, स्ट्रेस को रिमूव करने की क्या क्या टेक्निक्स हैं और किस तरह से हम इंडिविजुअली पर्टिकुलरली अपनी लाइफ को स्ट्रेस फ्री बना सकते हैं. तो सबसे पहले स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं एक ऑडियो क्लिप रन करूंगा. उस ऑडियो क्लिप के में मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि ऑडियो क्लिप में ये कुछ टिप्स बताई गई हैं आपके लिए जो आपको यूजफुल हो सकती हैं आपकी डे टू डे लाइफ में, आपके शेड्यूल स्ट्रक्चर में, कि किस तरह से हमें जनरली अपने सोशल लाइफ में, अपने डेली लाइफ में, ऑफिस में, घर में, कोलीग्स के साथ, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, अपने ऑफिस में किस तरह से बिहेव करना चाहिए, ये ऑडियो क्लिप आपको बताएगी. तो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस ऑडियो क्लिप आई वांट टू वन यस फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ यू. चैट बॉक्स में आप सबसे पहले यस लिखिए. जो लोग देख रहे हैं इस वेबिनार को, at least write the yes on the chat box so that I can get the indication that you are actively participating in this webinar. Very few. Okay. Maya Mavnik Darazning, Hardik is writing. Okay. Well, this audio clip will give you a kind of boost for you so that we will get the intention about the factor. Hello? Is there any problem in it, audio? I'm audible to all of you? Please write in the chat box. I'm audible to all of you? Please write the yes. Okay, might be some technical error that time. See, we are starting this webinar with a concept of stress management. Anybody can tell me what is stress? Anybody tell me what is stress? Anybody can write a few small definition about the stress so that we can move on. Any idea about, any rough idea about the stress? No one is giving the idea. Okay, I will tell you, let you know the things. See, just look at the picture. The different facial expressions you are getting, the one person is very happy, one person is depressed, one is confused, one is shocked. What exactly we are getting, this is then kind of how we are responding about the situation. This is all about in what way we are responding the situation. I'm audible to all of you, please write the yes. I'm audible to all of you, please write the yes. Please write the yes if I am audible to you. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. See, this is the what exactly stress means, in what way we will respond the situation. In what way? So in the current scenario, if we will deal, it is basically is having the kind of scenario in all age groups. Am I audible? Am I audible to all of you?
Yes,
Please
sir,
keep.
you're audible.
But net is, the slide is not responding here. See, so this slide shows the definition about the stress. There are the many definitions of the stress. Here we are using stress is body's way to respond of all kind of demands. This is the way what exactly we can have the basic idea about the stress. तो स्ट्रेस को समझने के लिए सबसे पहले मैं आपको एक बात बताना चाहता हूं, एक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहता हूं आप सब लोगों से कि आप अपनी लाइफ में क्या क्या मैनेज करना चाहते हैं। जो आपको चाहिए वो मैनेज करेंगे या जो आपको नहीं चाहिए वो मैनेज करना चाहते हैं। प्लीज गिव मी द चैट बॉक्स रिप्लाई, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली यू वांट टू मैनेज। जो आपको चाहिए वो मैनेज करेंगे या जो आपको नहीं चाहिए वो मैनेज करेंगे। प्लीज राइट इन द चैट बॉक्स। हेलो, ओके, व्हाट वी वांट। सिद्धार्थ कह रहे हैं कि जो हमको चाहिए वो हम बेसिकली क्वेश्चन देखिए हार्दिक जी को क्वेश्चन ये है कि लाइफ में हमें क्या चीज मैनेज करना है, हम इंपॉर्टेंस किसको देंगे, जो हमको चाहिए या जो हमको नहीं चाहिए। तो जैसे एक आंसर आया है कि व्हाट वी वांट, दैट इज द एग्जैक्ट आंसर। तो ऐसा कौन कौन है इस ग्रुप में जिसको स्ट्रेस चाहिए, बताइए, ऐसा कोई है जिसको स्ट्रेस चाहिए? Anyone? No. Hardik is saying no. See, this is the main scenario. This is the main concept. Siddharth is also saying no. स्ट्रेस को मैनेज करने की रिक्वायरमेंट ही नहीं है, क्योंकि वो हमारी लाइफ में रिक्वायर्ड ही नहीं है. लेकिन होता क्या है रियल सिनेरियो में, हम लोग स्ट्रेस को मैनेज करते करते अपना टाइम लगाते रहते हैं. वी आर कंज्यूमिंग आवर टाइम टू मैनेजिंग द स्ट्रेस. लेकिन एग्जैक्ट रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है कि हमको अपने इनर और आउटर पर्सनैलिटी को मैनेज करने की रिक्वायरमेंट है. Are you getting my point? Please write the yes. My point is that we have to manage that is the main stress management scenario. Okay? Anyone? Okay, Hardik is saying no, sir. Then what you want to say? Please write the reply. Hardik is telling what exactly you want to say. Please, Hardik, write what exactly you are not getting. My question is that in place of managing the stress, you have to manage our own requirements, like our daily routine we have to manage, like our professional life we have to manage, like we have to manage the personal life, like we have to manage the up and downs in the life. Then automatically the stress part will be managed. Individually, if you are planning to manage the stress, then it won't be acceptable in any manner like that. So, अगर आप ये चाहते हैं कि स्ट्रेस को मैनेज करना है, तो स्ट्रेस की बजाय हम अपनी जो बाकी नेसेसिटीज है, लाइफ की जो नेसेसिटीज है, उनको मैनेज करने की कोशिश करेंगे. तो इसीलिए सिद्धार्थ दिख रहे हैं, सर वी हैव टू मैनेज एवरीथिंग, नो वन विल मैनेज फॉर अस. ओके, it is right, everything managed, but majority of concept is that what exactly we need, we have to focus over that. That is the main criteria about the life. If we are trying to managing the stress only, then we will keep on depression, we will keep on fear, we will keep on phobia about the reduction of the stresses. It was all about the slide first. The second slide about the what exactly we are getting, the bad and the good experiences. So whenever people feel stressed by anything going around them, their mind responds for releasing the chemicals into the blood, and these chemical gives people power and strength for how to react the particular situation. Ultimately, stress का direct combination है कि हम किस तरह से सिचुएशन को हैंडल कर रहे हैं. It is considerable by all of you. What I am saying कि how we are tackling the situation with a correct attitude, that is the main requirement of the purpose. And once we are getting the idea about the managing the requirements, automatically the situation will be managed. Usually there is an expectations of some kind of risk, perhaps if you are giving the force to the involvement. So that is a part of the life. So we have to manage the stress in all manners. And the second perception is that one, the risk is usually forced to involve in the long thinking process to identify the resources you have to meet the demand, and realize what you do not have enough sources to adequately meet the demand. This is the main feature of the stress. So once you get the habitual, once you got the definition about the stress, once you proper getting the features about your stress or stress, then you can maintain the stress capability and you can manage the stress independently. That is the main important feature of the particular parameter. Are you getting my point? Am I audible to all of you? Please write yes if you till now it is point is clear to all of you. Please write yes in the chat box. Please write yes in the chat box. Okay, all of you are getting the things. Now the second question arises. Once we are not getting the perception meaning, once we are not getting the perception meaning in the sense of stress is a common affected problem in almost all point of the life. So we have the mental stress, we have the traditional stress, we have the learning to identify when you are under stress, what is the stress you are, different ways of the copying with the stress can greatly improve the both, as well as your mental as well as your physical well-being. So this is the main topic. Stress cannot be differentiate your mental and your physical capabilities. It have the equal influence over your mental status as well as your physical status. So this thing can be eliminated by the sense of non-capabilities about the thought. So we have a video, all of you. Please go through this video. Might be sharing problem, I think so. It's again sharing problem, 1 minute. See, this is the main next portion. We have the two concepts about the stress. One is the fight side, another one is the flight side. Fight or flight approach helps us to escape the danger. The most of the time in the human history, danger came in the form of the surprises. When faced with the danger, a person had two options for the survival. One is the attack. It means supposed to fight against the danger, or second one, we have to run away, we have to fly from the situation. So किसी भी सिचुएशन को हैंडल करने के ये दो पॉसिबिलिटीज है, या तो हम उस सिचुएशन को फाइट करेंगे या उस सिचुएशन से हम दूर भागना शुरू करेंगे, और ये सब कुछ डिपेंड करेगा हमारे एटीट्यूड पर. एटीट्यूड बेसिकली डिपेंड करता है कि write the requirement of the attitude in the stress. Any idea about the stress? Write in the chat box. What attitude do you will follow? You will fight or you will flight? Write in the chat box. I want to see how many number of the people are fight. Okay, Bhavna is telling fight. And anyone is for flight? Okay, fight. Siddharth is saying he will fight. Okay, majority of the person are giving the concept about the fight. When the Hardik is saying he will fly, ideally it will be fight. Definitely it is a fight situation. In any situation we can give in the some kind of might be bit net is slow, I think so my side. So this so these are the basically, although these are the two different ways of responding about the situation. The first both require the physical response resulting in the certain psychological effect, increasing the heart rate, breathing rate, blood pressure, muscular tensions, increasing the blood flow to the brain, lungs, heart and muscles. And now the question arises, the type of the stress. Anyone can let me know what are the types of the stress? बताएगा मुझे कि कितने तरह के स्ट्रेस होते हैं? Please write in the chat box if you know types of the stress. Anybody can let me know any idea about the? Okay, Siddharth is saying we know about the issue stress. Siddharth is saying I don't know. Okay, stresses are of two types. Okay, this is okay. Stress is basically of two types, and this is basically of positive and negative. How stress is not always bad. We need to some stress to stimulate us, a certain level of stress is beneficial for us, and in broadly classification, we have the stress in the major two criteria. I got in the chat messages also, acute and chronic. Okay, it's a bit medical terms basically, no doubt. But in the psychological manner, we have the kind of positive stress as well as the negative stress. See, the system of the stress development in the individual body is basically depends on our attitude, how we are handling the situations. So positive stress and negative stress will occur in the own personality in an individual life. It may be positive, it may be negative stress, but thing is that we have to cope up with the positive. Attempt. Have you attempted going first? It is might be possible like that. So positive stress and negative stress, if you classify in a conceptual theoretical manner, positive stress is all about what exactly it is good for our own professional growth. We can stimulate it. We have to cope up with the positive stress. But negatively stress will always is not good for our own growth. Either we are professionally or personally, in all manner, in negative stress case, we are going to be degraded, and in the positive stress, there is a chance of upgradation. So this is the main situation. What exactly we are going to have. So once we are having the ideas about the system, so that is the main thing, positive stress. So today's scenarios, everything is changing so fast. New technology is being used. People do not have a vision or purpose in their life. As there are the change in the societies, accordingly here is the living style, moral values, expectations, responsibilities also affected drastically by changes in all around, and these expectations brought certain risk in their life. And where there is a risk, there is a stress. If there is no risk, there is no stress. This is the basically main scenario. A new employee is supposed to take this for the long time association. He has to understand the organization culture. He has to understand the roles, responsibilities of the job. He is not taking stress. He may lose the job. This is the main positive stress. A employee is looking for a promotion at the work. He has to take risk and doing the things better than his colleagues, not he can receive his promotion. One has to take stress of buying a new house or a new car. He is not in the willing to do the able to buy. A athlete gets the stress before he performance, help his to perform the better. So this is the stress, is a positive stress, which is very much good for our own life. Then businessman has to take risk to fighting with the cuts of throat competition, and a father has to take stress to marriage for his son or daughter, otherwise he will not be able to do so. So this is the student has to take this to doing well in the exam, otherwise it will not be very difficult to him to clear the exam. So this is the, while driving a car, driver has to take risk for a smooth and safe drive, and this continuous process is well affect the process. The stress doctor gets the well before doing a surgery will help you to save the patient. So this is all about the things. Now we have a test. All of you supposed to either you can draw on the paper or you keep in the mind. I am giving a question to all of you. You have to draw a big picture on the paper. If you don't have the paper, you just keep in the mind. I will ask some questions, then I will reply in the same manner. You have the positive stress or you have the negative stress. Come on the chat box. Please come over the chat box. Write which area of the paper you want to draw the picture. You want to draw the picture on the top, you want to draw the picture on the bottom, or you want to draw the picture in the middle. Write in the chat box. Middle, middle. Okay, middle. Almost everyone is giving the middle answer. Why no one is giving that right or okay, one answer is right also. But right, I'm not asking. My question is either you want to on the top, bottom, or middle. Right is not my choice for you. Okay, mostly people are writing in the middle of the paper. You want to draw the picture in the middle of the paper. No one was interested to write on the top. Okay, Siddharth is saying he's interested for the top picture. Okay, anyone is planning to draw the picture on the bottom side? No one, no one, no one, no one. Good one. See, this is the result. This is the result. If the picture drawn towards the top of the paper, you are the positive. Siddharth was positive because Siddharth ne bola tha ki he is interested for the top portion. So you are the positive. If you have to draw the picture in the middle, you are a realistic. You live in a stress-free life. Okay, one more mark over the top. Okay, okay, that is the main thing. That is the thing is there now. So are you getting all the, and if the pig is drawn in the middle, it is unrealistic. You live a stress-free life. And if you are drawing in the bottom portion, you are the totally negative person. So I don't think so there is a negative person. All are the positive and the optimistic people, realistic people in your group. Very good for them. Then if the pig is facing left, there was a right one also. Left one, if you believe in the tradition, you're friendly, almost remember dates and birthdays. And if picture is facing the forward towards you, you are directed toward, and the right, you are innovative and active, but have neither a sense of family nor remembrance dates. Might be one was the right person. I think so Siddharth has given the choice to on the right. I'm not getting the chat box now. Why, some net problem? No chat box. Okay. So this is the main thing. Details you analytically caused about the thoughtfulness, about the things. It was the pig test. What exactly we got the results. We are on the larger side of the pig ears on that one. Okay, now we are getting, sir, I am not required to stop sharing. Open the first slide of the PPT. Sir, it's the face towards me. Okay, that's all. Okay, thank you. Okay, now next topic is about the, you're not allowing to me sharing the slides. Okay, no problem. As we can give it the ideas about that.
Sir, you can share the PPT as because the window was coming from laptop and in the live it is looking quite odd. This one you can share the PPT.
Okay. All of you getting the video? All of you getting the video? Write in the yes. Please write yes in the chat box.
No, sir, we are not getting the video. We are just getting the window open there.
So, any idea about this video? Can you define the video? Hello?
Sir, we was unable to see the video.
You are not getting the video.
No, sir.
My God, how it is possible? Because the audio also you are not getting.
No, sir.
Okay, might be some technical problem. I don't know why it is not. Because last webinar I conducted yesterday, it was running properly. Okay, now these are the benefits about the positive stress. Should a person to become a key player of the society is the best benefit of the positive stress. Make him pleasing personalities, keep away from the physician visit, increase the productivity, effective teamwork, increases problem solving skills, improves thought process, make positive atmosphere all around, increase profitability, better professional and personal relationship, positive stress, enlarge your circle of influence. So as the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam says that difficulties in your life do not come to you or destroy you, but to help you realize your hidden potential and the power be. Let difficulties know that you too are difficult. So that is the main motto about this statement. So all about the situation, in what manner we are dealing, what exactly our attitude to handle the situation. This is the main motto. Now we are coming over the negative stress. We have any question regarding the positive stress? Anyone is want to ask something regarding positive stress? Okay, no question. Okay. So negative means we have understood the positive stress stimulate us to fight with the demand and encourage us to improve our productivity, performance, capacity, capabilities, whereas negative stress react just to oppose it. Just oppose it. It will decrease the capabilities, this will decrease the capacity, performance degradation, less productivity, everything will get due to the negative stress. In a very simple word, negative stress can be defined as a process in which individual involve himself into a long thinking process before reacting a demand or particular situation, did not arrived at any conclusion. So that is the main thing. Why and how to control this thing? Lack of willingness, talking risk, lack of faith in himself, lack of planning, lack of priority management, lack of continuous efforts, habits, taking shortcuts, lack of learning from the past experiences, unable to utilize opportunities, habits of giving excuse, and the lack of knowledge. These are the basically we can control management, what exactly we can apply for the stress. Now, basically to identify the stress, we have the 4 basic signs: physical, behavioral, mental, and emotional. We have physical, behavioral, mental, and emotional, which is basically to very much helpful to manage the stress. Like in physical signs are symptoms that can be measured by own examination, and these signs affects you directly. Below are some of the signs are ready reference: increased alertness, stiffness of the pain, blood pressure, cloud, flu, chest pain, headache, stomach pain, sweating, fatigue, weight gain or weight loss. These are all the physical signs. In behavioral, is an increased smoking, drinking, drugs use, killing, swearing, aggression, changes in the eating habits. Either you can increase the habit or you can decrease the habits of the eating. Change in the sleeping habits. You are increasing your number of hours of sleeping or you're decreasing the number of hours of sleeping. It will be the change of the stress. Nervousness, nail biting, and the pacing, etc. All the things are behavior. Mental one. Mental means difficulties, concentration, decreased memories, difficulty making decisions, mind going blank and the mind racing, confusions, loss of sense of humor, increased libido, and the intention and the bad dreams. That is the mental stress. And the emotional anxiety, anger, irritability, impatient, short temper, frustration, worry, and fear. Can anybody give me the idea of the phobia is not here in this list? कोई बताएगा मुझे कि phobia क्यों नहीं डाला है इसमें list में? Anybody can give me the idea why the phobia is not opted in the list? No one is writing in the chat. Anyhow. So please, you have to manage your signs of the stress, identify your stresses, and you can manage the stresses. Now, this is the a statement that a problem is not a problem, it is just a situation. A situation can be favorable or it can be unfavorable. People generally conclude that the unfavorable condition is a problem. When you say it is a problem, people generally give up and surrender it. But you say that is a situation, you keep your mind open and trying your best to come out your unfavorable situation. Is it okay for you, this statement? Any conclusion about that? You're getting any kind of confusion about this statement? Please write in the chat box. Please write in the chat box regarding this statement. Or if you are okay, write the yes. Hello? Am I audible to you? No response. Okay, anyhow. Now this is the color activity. This is an activity. Are you ready for activity? Please write yes. If you are ready for an activity, please write yes. I'm not getting chat box here is active. Please respond it, sir, friends. Hello. Please write yes if you are following me. Anyhow, the activity is about the color of the words. We have the left brain and we have the right brain. We have the, now you have to start the activity. Look at the chart above and say the colors of the bird, not the word itself. Are you people getting me or not? No response, then how can I continue if you're not? Okay, you're getting me. Okay, then will you be able to see the slide?
Hi, Prashant sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, chat box is having the responses of people. Kindly check your chat box. People are writing yes of every of your question there. They are getting you. They have filled in answers also there. Can you see your chat box now?
No, I am on the chat box only. I am asking whether you were seeing the PPT or not. No
Yeah,
one is
people
writing.
are-
I am asking the yes. No one is writing.
everyone is writing there. Everyone is writing there. Kindly check the chat box. You can just scroll it over, and everyone is writing there. People are messaging.
Okay, anyhow.
I'm
Okay.
getting the messages from all the people.
Now I am getting.
Yeah. Just scroll it above. Also, everyone has given their answers too.
So
Okay.
Prerna, I think you should tell the answers to sir, so it will be more easy and convenient to answer all the questions.
Okay.
Okay,
Done.
now PPT. Are you getting my PPT here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is a PPT where you have to pronounce the word with the colors. And please check your compatibility. Whether you are okay with the color, just read out the colors first. Word and color, word and color, word and color, word and color. Like that. And then see the pressure on your mind. Just let me know on the chat box whether the word is important for you or the color is important for you. Let me know in the chat box. Color is important for you or word is important for you? Word. Okay, color is important for you. Hardik saying color is important. Word, sir. And Nikita is saying the word is important for you. Okay, thank you. See, this is the thing. If the color comes first in your picture, then you are the right brain person. You are more creative. You are more innovative. And if you are giving the word priority or giving the priority to the word, then you are the person who works as per the rules and regulations. You are not in the creative, you are the routine worker like the mind. You always work. If the word is important for you, you are the routine professional. And if the color is important for you, you are the creative professional in the life. So that was a tool for this particular experiment. Now, why it is difficult? Because the right half of your brain is trying to say the color, while the left side of your brain is saying about the word. So this is the difference basically. So the best use of your brain, you have to establish the proper combination in the right brain and the left brain. That is the main requirement of this. Now this is the formula of the managing the stress. There's a 6 points. Define the problem, collect the fact and ideas, generate the solution, pick the best solution, and implement the solution and evaluate the solution. What is the things? First, what exactly this formula will work out? The 3 things in the red and the 3 things in the blue color. If you follow the red and the difference between the blue, the red one was the pre-planning and the blue was the execution side over there. Formulas are giving in the picture. So this is the main thing. So for the execution, ask before whether the problem is okay for the especially. State the problem as especially as possible. Clarify the expected results. Ask the few questions. And then in terms of the solutions that you will get the real problem over there. Collect the facts, generate the solutions, pick up the answers, implement them, evaluate the solutions. Then the circle of the control, you have getting the 3 things. Area of the control, area of the influences, and the area of control or the non-influences. This is all about the de-stress. Proactive behavior if you want to manage. This is the main things. You have to initiate, you have to circle of control, circle of influence, and the seek of the expend. Stress and depression check. Just read this PPT very carefully. Are you getting my point? How many questions you have to ask? 12 questions in each category. For the stress, we will ask the 12 questions, and for the depression, we will ask the 12 questions. Then, if you have the experience, the situation frequently, then give the 3 marks. If you have the experience, the situation occasionally, then give the 2 marks. And if you have never experienced a situation, then allot the 1 mark. It is clear? Write the yes in the chat box. If this slide is clear, please write the yes in the chat box. If slide is clear, please write the chat yes. Everyone is supposed to write the yes. Okay, Siddharth, Hardik. Others are not writing more. Please, everyone is supposed to write the yes. Bhavna is writing. Joseph is writing. Okay. So you have to keep on adding your marks individually. At last, you have to compare the marks with the result as per the result. Again, I'm repeating, if you have the experience, the situation frequently, you have to 3 marks, occasionally 2 marks, and never experience, you have to give the 1 mark. Then first test is for the stress. This is the first question. Keep on adding your marks, please. I found my, yes?
Sir, so sorry to intervene in between. So we are running a little short of time. So I think just kindly wind up as soon as possible so that we can move on for the
another 5 minutes. Another 5 minutes.
Yeah, sure. Take your time, sir. Just wanted to remind you about that.
Okay. Yeah. This is the stress. First thing, if you are frequently experiencing the result, you have to give the 3 marks. Occasionally, you have to give the 2 marks. And if you are never experienced the situation, you have to give the 1 marks. I found never myself getting upset by the quite trivial things. I tended to overreacted to the situation. I found it difficult to relax. I found myself getting upset rather than easily. I felt that I was using a lot of nervous energy. I found myself getting impatient, and when I delayed in way, lift, traffic lights, being kept waiting, I found it hard to wind down. I found that I was very irritable. I found it hard to calm down, and I found that it's difficult to tolerate when I was doing. And I was in a state of nervousness. And the last question for the stress is, I was intolerant of anything that kept me for getting on with what I was doing. Please let me know your scores in the chat box. Let me know your scores in the chat box of these 12 questions. Please write the scores in the chat box. Are you getting me? Please write yes. If you are getting me, please write yes. Okay, 15. Joseph has got 15 marks. Okay, and others? 12, Siddharth. Okay. How do we score? Hardik. We already told, na, if you are feeling the frequently, you have to give 3 marks, occasionally 2 marks, never experience 1 marks. Anyhow, we are coming on the depression. The first question, again the same scenario. If you are occasionally 2 marks, frequently 3 marks, never experience 1 marks. I just could not seem to getting going. I felt that I had nothing to. I felt had said depressed. I felt that I had interest in anything. I felt I was not worth much as a person. I felt that life was not worthwhile. I could not seem to get any enjoyment out of things I did. I was unable to become the enthusiastic about anything. I felt I was pretty worthless. I could see nothing in the future to be hopeful about. I felt the life was meaningless. Give the score, please, me. Give your scores in the chat box. Give your scores, please, for the depression. Then I will show you the picture. Oh, you got the 30, Siddharth. Okay. Others, Nikita 24 and okay, anyhow, no problem, no problem. So this is the score time. Just check out your own things in this one. As Siddharth got the 30, means you are in the severe proportion. And Nikita got 24. 24 means she is in moderate side. And if you are getting 12 to 18, you are the normal one. So this is the main criteria, extremely severe. So almost you are in moderate or normal size, because no one is severe, only one person is severe, Siddharth Singh, and extremely severe, no one is extremely severe. Yeah, please, anyone is calling me? Hello? So this was the today's score. Now you can ask your own questions.
So everyone, now we will be moving on for the question and answer round, and we are also live on our Fairgaze Facebook page. So if you have any queries, you can also send us there too. So kindly write your questions on the chat box. We will unmute you one by one for the question and answer thing, and then we will close the session. So we will wait for a minute, and if there will be any questions, then we'll take them, and otherwise we will close the session.
No
So
problem.
we have received a question from Bhavna, that can positive stress become negative?
See, positive stress can be negative if you are not controlling your emotions. I told the 4 signs. One is physical, another one is mental, behavioral, and emotional. If you are not controlling your emotions on the positive stress, then automatically it will be going towards the negative side. So either in your professional or in the personal life, you have to be in controlled emotions while acting with the positive stress. That is the main scenario. What should we do to handle severe anxiety issues? See, for the anxiety, we have to the fundamental rule. You have to cope up with your timetable. You should have a routine lifestyle. You have to give time for the meditation and stress. You have to do yoga and exercise and take the proper food habits. That is the main requirement for the anxiety failures. So tell me one simple exercise to relieve the stress. Okay, no problem. Just all of you close your eyes. All of you close your eyes and have the deep breath. All of you just close your eyes and have the deep breath. And then for the 5 minutes, you keep on continue. Taking the breath and releasing the breath. Taking the breath and releasing the breath. If you continue this for 5 minutes, immediately you will get a relief about that. You can experience right now. Just close your eyes. If you experience this time for another 5 minutes, either you're in an office or in somewhere, you can get the relief. I'm always too nervous. Okay, Hardik is saying my mind is always subconscious. I wake up early, I sleep walk. Okay, every single morning since 13, every morning my mind is under so much is over pressure, like someone is hitting me hammers, and I just can't know what how the positive note. I meditate, but I never do this. See, meditation is the only one solution for such problems, but there are some rules and regulations for the problem. I'm telling for you, Hardik, if you meditate, then you have to keep the 3 conditions with you. Meditate at the common place, meditate at the common timings, and meditate with all other surroundings. You should not keep the headphones, microphones for your listening some instrumental music that will disturb your mind and will deviate on the suggestion. एक ही समय पे एक ही जगह पर एक एकाग्रता के साथ अगर आप मेडिटेट करेंगे तो ये दिक्कतें नहीं आएंगी. Anyone else? हार्दिक को सॉल्यूशन मिला?
So I have unmuted Hardik. Hardik, I think your query is now solved. Hardik, can you hear us?
Hardik?
Okay, so sir, oh, 1 minute. I'm unmuting you once again, Hardik. Now you can speak, Hardik.
Okay, so I'll try this one also. I'll try this, but
Hardik.
I'm still not sure if I could, because it's been 7 years.
You are meditating since last 7 years.
No, I'm meditating since 4 years, but this problem has been with me since 7 years.
Any kind of relief you got after the 4 years meditation?
Yes, it kind of reduced.
What time
Kind
you
of,
meditate?
just
What
a
time
little.
you meditate? What is the timing of meditation?
4 to 5, 5 to 6, somewhat 4 to between 4.
See, it is not the right thing. When you meditate, you have to be on the same place. You have to be on the same time, and you have to be free from all gadgets. You should not use any kind of electronic gadgets like mobile music, laptop music, or any music. You have to be on the same place, same timing. Timing is more important. If you are meditating early morning 5 to 6, you have to meditate at anyhow on the 5 to 6 only. Then only you will get the better relief from the situation. And second thing you can do the breathing exercise more and more when you're free, even in office also. You can do the meditation as well as the breathing exercise, and you can discuss with the consultation. You can meet me personally also. You will have the brief, complete solution for such problems.
Okay, sir. So, where can I meet you personally? Like what I said, how can I interact with you personally?
Prerna or Bhavna might be having my number. They can give.
Yeah. Hardik, I'll share you sir's number so you can connect with him then. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So any other queries? So I think, sir, we are done with the queries section part. So now we will close with our webinar session today. Thank you so much, Prashant sir, for your valuable views today. And
Thanks
it was
for
a lovely session.
Thanks.
Yeah, it was a lovely session today, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay.